garlic prawns. This we need prawns, garlic, it should be chopped garlic and not garlic paste, butter approximately 10 grams, white vinegar, chili flakes, oregano, and little bit of rum, which is optional. Salt as per your taste. Take a pan and wait for it to heat. Take half of the butter, that is 5 grams, and wait for it to be heated in the pan. Once the butter is absolutely melted, we'll add the prawns to it. But please wait till the butter is absolutely heated. Adding the prawns, just saute it. Remember, prawns are soft and it gets cooked very easily. We'll add a teaspoon of white vinegar to it so that the prawns get cooked very fast. After this, we'll add chopped garlic to the butter and prawns and keep the flame on high so that the garlic gets cooked easily as well as the prawns. Keep tossing the prawns and wait for them to be a little brownish in color. Add half a teaspoon of salt to it. You can do it as per your taste and keep on sauteing it. If you do it in this manner, the prawns get cooked very fast, and then we'll cover it and cook it in a medium to a slower flame. As you can see, the prawns are not fully cooked and some water has been left out by the prawns, so we'll wait for it to be fully cooked. This is how you check the prawns whether they are cooked or not. Toss it a bit and again add the rest of the butter that was there. Now we see that the prawns are almost cooked. We'll just toss it a bit, stir of the chili flakes and the oregano, and you'll add it as per your taste. If you like a bit more spicy and hot, so you can add more chili flakes to it and toss it nicely. Remember, it's a great culinary art to toss well. Once the prawns are almost cooked and the butter mixes well, we'll add 1 teaspoon of rum to it. Just see what we do to it. This is absolutely optional. And this is how the color absolutely changes. Part of it is completely optional. You may or may not add the rum to the prawns. You can just serve the prawns as it is without adding the rum as well. Plating cheese to this as well, or you can do it like I've done. You can put a cheese slice and on top of that just place the hot prawns on it and the cheese starts melting. You can serve it with a glass of wine or with any of your drinks. And the food is very important for us. You can enjoy the prawns along with the cheese slice or wait for the cheese to melt. You can skip the cheese as well. So enjoy this recipe.